How to check someone's Facebook activity. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can check for someone's Facebook activity. Now the first and foremost thing is to check the notifications. Now if you have notifications enabled, if you scroll down notification bar, you might get notification from your friends for their activity. Now this depends totally on Facebook mechanism. However, what you can do is if you add them to your favorite, you might get most of the notifications for their activities on Facebook. Now how do you set them to favorites? If you open up Facebook here, you can see if you head into friends here, post here, you can see my friend has posted a post here. See. Now what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the post. You can see the three dots option, tap on it, and here you'll get the option to add your friend to favorites. You can see add particular friend to favorites option, prioritize her post in newsfeed. What you want to do is enable this, and once you enable this, you can see they'll be added to your favorite, and once you add them to the favorite, you'll be able to get all the notifications or most of their Facebook activity notification. The other way, however, is to head into the profile directly. You can head into search bar, and from the search bar you can search in for the Facebook profile, and you want to head into the profile and you want to look for the Facebook activities directly on the profile. This is the direct and the most effective way to look at their Facebook activity. So this way you can check someone's Facebook activity. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.